So you bought yourself a Ford Cmax and you thought, nice family car, and guess what? You can't find the Isofix. The Isofix is actually a bar beneath this. What you can do, Ford sell them or Amazon, eBay, you can get a kit that you have to cut the hole and the kit goes in here, about 25 quid. But can you do it without? Yes, yes you can. Let me show you. So first thing you need to do is literally take the seat out. Nice and easy. They're on these brackets here. Pull it forward, pull these clips down when it's at an angle, pull them out, and it will lift off. It will literally just lift out the back from the two handles. Then what you want to do is pull that so it goes all the way down, and then we're going to jump in the back. Okay, you want to pop the seat up on its arse end like that, and then what you need to do is look at this. Okay, this is just a plastic strip. Now it's like a U-bend like that, and then it fits in the middle. See where the screwdriver is? The metal just fits there, so it slots around, it holds it. What we're going to do, we're going to pull that off, and then we're going to tuck it under. So to do that, get a screwdriver or something and prise it down a little bit, just until it pops off. There you go. And by the way, you can put it back on if you sell the car or something like that. Right, so we're exposing the foam. Don't worry about that for now, we're going to tuck that under after, so push that forward. And there is your Isofix bar. It's just hiding. So, tuck that under there, like so. It's not a pretty job, mate, because you've got here, the Isofixes are there, you can see it. And on the other side, you can see it. So what we're going to do is we're going to push the foam under here. Sorry if it's taking a bit long, but I'm trying to do it with one hand. In hindsight, I probably should have got my tripod. There we go. Right, that'll be absolutely fine like that, as long as you can get to it. Then we're going to take this and we're going to slide that under the Isofix bars as well, because we want that literally come through here. Okay, so I'm going to try to do it with one hand. If not, I'm going to have to put the camera down and use two, but let me see if I can do it. I've done a couple of these for customers who bought the car and they've said, oh, there's no Isofix, and it's like, well, there is. Just Ford had this stupid idea. It is a stupid idea of hiding it, because it was already there. Every car had it. And the reason why I don't like cutting seats is because I'm going to drive this for a little bit myself, just save on fuel on my Range Rover, and then I want to sell it. And if I want to sell it, I want it to look like it's properly done. There we go, look. There we are. That's pulled nice and tight. You can see the Isofix is exposed there. Then we're going to push this. Now we're going to pull it back on ourselves and push it. Now guys, I'm doing this with one hand, so you should be able to do this quite easily with two. Alright, so we're going to literally just push it under, between the foam and the metal. No, it's not a pretty sight, but it's better than having to cut holes in it, because a lot of people don't buy the kit, they just cut the holes. And then when they come to resell the car, there's a car with holes in it. Whereas I am now giving you the option of having an Isofix without the bloody holes in it. Well, I don't like that foam bar there, so we're going to tuck it in, tuck it under. Right, there it is. Okay, it doesn't have to be comfortable, because the baby seat's going to go on top. What it has to do is latch. Pulled nice and tight there, and then when you want to redo it or take the baby seat out or sell the car even, you can. So let me show you what it looks like. I'm going to lift that, hopefully. No, I need to pull that. Bear with me. There we go. There you go. Isofix. Yes, you've got a little gap there, but your baby seat's going to cover that anyway. So there you go. No need for the kit. No need to start cutting the material. And at a later date, you can literally push it all back through, pull the material back over and slot it back onto the line there. I just give it a little tap. Job done. Well, I hope that helped. Let me know if that helped you guys, or if there's anything else you need to know about these cars, and while I've got it, I'll make videos for you.